The competition to see which of these helicopters will carry the US Army into the future was extended for a short time before being canceled outright. The FARA contract was aiming to fill the need of a fast and lethal bird to replace the Kiowa Warrior Helicopter, which ceased service in 2017, and the Apache, which is still in service. Bell's Invictus 360 was still awaiting its engine, so they had changed the delivery date from late 2023 to 2024. The Army contract required a modular open system to streamline maintenance and upgrades, and the verification process is long, but for a good reason. Saving time and resources when it is most important is of high priority. And the Invictus 360's competition was Lockheed Martin subsidiary Sikorsky's Raider X, suffering the exact same fate, awaiting its engine. Both helicopters were spin-offs of other models, so all is not lost, but $2 billion already went into the FARA contract, and it is speculated that another $40 billion would have been spent finishing and purchasing 400 birds for this contract. To find out more about next-generation technology, like, comment, subscribe, and stay tuned right here. Happy buzzing!